Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to strip electrical cable by using a self-adjusting insulation stripper. This is a self-adjusting insulation stripper. That is an awesome device, really nice and easy to use. It is an hand crimping tool, and you can cut wires with that, like as seen in the video. This is a bottom option. If you are pushing the crimp, then it will cut off the cable. That means you can use it for measuring the cable. If it's too long, you can cut it a little bit, and it cuts your wire insulation and your strip wire in one piece. How to insulation the cable itself, the inner core. This is the other option of this tool. You have to push the wire in front of the tool and then cut it or push the device with your hand, and automatically the wire insulation will cut off. And after this, you have a solid copper wire. Easy going. Let's have a look how it works. You can adjust a little bit, but it works proper. You will see this now. It's easy. It's really easy. It's automatically. It's mechanically, but it's automatically. This is semi-automatic action. Then now push and job's done. That is all. Good job. We stripped an electrical cable. An electrical cable is an assembly of one or more wires running side by side or bundled, which is used to carry electric current. That means if you are cutting the wire, you do not have electric current inside of this. Switch off the power, because of this will give you, it will harm you, really. You have to look about this first, and then it's time to cut it, to strip the wire easily, really easy. So it is by this nice device. I like it. I am using it. Self-adjusting insulation stripper. Now you only have to drill a little bit the inner core, and then job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. It is so much easier with a self-adjusting insulation stripper than with a blade. Yeah, there it is. Nice stripper. Godlike. 2 in 1. Soon. Yeah.